What is the best budget gaming chair for you? In this video, we'll break down the top 3 budget gaming chairs on the market this year based on performance and situations they'll be used in. So if you want to find the best budget gaming chair with a balance of affordability, comfort, and build quality, stay tuned. We'll have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the OFM Essentials Racing Chair, our pick for best gaming chair for most people. Whether you're gaming on a budget or just want to keep things simple, the OFM Essential Racing Chair is the gaming chair for you. The overall look of the Essentials Racing Chair is a hybrid of a gaming chair and fancy office chair. It has all of the hallmarks you're looking for in a gaming chair, but it avoids more contentious details like the bucket seat, so you have more freedom of movement. This more conservative design means that the Essentials Racing Chair can pull double duty and be used as a regular office chair too. The seat cushion is built using 5.5 inches of high-density foam, with additional padding on the front and sides for excellent support. There's more contoured padding on the seat back that works to cradle your body in comfort, and the flip-up armrests are bolstered with 2 inches of foam. The entire chair is upholstered in soft thread leather with contrasting colored fabric for an aggressive style that stays cool and delivers high-performance comfort for long, intense gaming sessions. And while many gaming chairs provide separate headrests and lumbar support, these elements are integrated into the design for a cleaner, more streamlined look, while still providing that extra comfort exactly where it's needed. The chair sits on a highly durable plastic base that's equipped with casters for easy movement on smooth surfaces. Adjustments include a center tilt mechanism, tilt lock/tilt tension control, and 360-degree swivel. For seat height adjustment, there's a heavy-duty gas lift that can raise or lower the seat from 17 to 20.75 inches, so it's suitable for gamers up to 6 feet 2 inches tall and 275 pounds. If you're looking for an affordable gaming chair that scores high marks on comfort, the OFM Essentials Racing Chair is a very good choice. It has the ergonomics you need to stay comfortable and productive, and has several adjustments to fine-tune it to boost your gaming performance. Next up, the GT Racing Gaming Chair. A gaming chair should support your body like a pit crew supports a race car, giving you enough comfort and ergonomic adaptability to keep you fueled and in the zone all night long. And even though the GT Racing Gaming Chair is a budget model, it still provides the comfort and features to satisfy most gamers, all at an exceptional price point. Unlike the OFM Essential Racing Chair, this chair follows the gaming chair design template to a T. The seat is modeled after a race car's bucket seat, and everything is trimmed in brightly colored PU leather and comes with separate lumbar and headrest pillows. While it lacks a bit of padding in the backrest, the much thicker bucket seat is built up with several inches of molded foam that gives you plenty of support. The adjustable padded armrests deliver a good level of comfort for your elbows and forearms, but some may find them a bit on the small side. When it comes to ergonomics, the GT Racing Gaming Chair definitely shines. It offers the basic adjustments like height, recline, tilt lock, and tilt tension mechanisms, but takes it a step further with 2 directional armrests that offer adjustment to height and pivot to support you in a number of ways. Slide them out and away to get closer to your monitor or game with a controller, position them for perfect support while typing, or take a break and recline up to 170 degrees. Whatever position you're in, the Class 4 hydraulic system is capable of supporting up to 330 pounds. If you're looking for a budget gaming chair with above-average ergonomics and the aggressive styling you expect, the GT Racing Gaming Chair is a solid choice. Whether you're sitting up straight, involved in a firefight, or reclining and taking a break to watch Netflix, the GT Racing Gaming Chair will provide good comfort at a budget price. Last but not least, the OnTarget GC100 Gaming Chair, our pick for best overall budget gaming chair. The OnTarget GC100 Gaming Chair is the most expensive of our 3 picks, but offers increased comfort and style, no matter how much time you spend in it. With affordable gaming chairs like the GC100 available, you don't have to keep using a rigid, uncomfortable, non-adjustable chair. Ditch that kitchen chair for the comfort offered by the GC100 and get needed support in key areas like your head and neck, lower back, and arms. With its integrated footrest, you can take a break and recline, and you'll be perfectly supported from top to bottom. This chair starts with a sturdy steel skeleton. The backrest is padded with sponge, and the high rebound seat cushion adds additional high-density foam to provide extra comfort and resistance to wear and tear. The entire chair is upholstered in semi-PU leather and is available in 3 color combinations. The chair assembly is supported by a 5-pronged nylon base that's outfitted with polyurethane casters for 360-degree swivel and smooth transport across the floor. Like the GT Racing gaming chair, the GC100 has a heavy-duty Class 4 gas lift that can support up to 330 pounds and lets you adjust the overall seat height and backrest angle from 90 to 180 degrees. The 2D armrests are also height adjustable and can be angled sideways for fine adjustment or moved out of the way if you need the extra space. And while its overall design is undeniably targeted at gaming, it isn't limited to it. The GC100 can be used for any task that would benefit from the comfort and support it provides. If you're looking for the best overall budget gaming chair, the OnTarget GC100 is the perfect choice. This chair gives you a lot in the way of features, quality, and overall comfort, and is perfect for gaming or as a general office chair, and its built-in footrest will let you totally relax when you need to. If you guys like this video or this video helped you, please give the video a like. Links to all the products mentioned are in the description below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on the latest and greatest in tech. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.